For this Greek yogurt dressing, which will be stored for a few days in the fridge and fully used within a week, I will use 3 full teaspoons of yogurt, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, salt, black pepper, 3 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 clove of crushed garlic. You do not want to bite in any chunks when eating your salad. 1 whole lime, half of it should be enough, but I am going for a lemony tasting dressing on my salad. A pleasant taste when doing a fully loaded Caribbean salad with smoked fish or chicken. I am adding some dill that I have stored in my freezer, and I am cutting now to add it in my Greek yogurt dressing. By the time the dill defrosts, the sogginess of this herb will not get in the way of the taste of the dressing. Not every herb are worth freezing, as they might taste weird when used in any dish that require no cooking. Half a teaspoon of honey, some olive oil. I usually add finely cut parsley, but I do not have any left in my fridge. I use my last bunch on a garlic butter recipe that will be uploaded soon. A way to prevent your leftover herbs like parsley to go bad in your fridge, you freeze the garlic butter mix to be used every time you are baking some homemade bread. And voila, there we have it, Greek yogurt dressing with dill and fresh parsley when you have it. This dressing is perfect on any salad and enhance any side salad you serve next to your mixed stew or seasoned rice.